In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in OneDrive. Before we begin, ensure you're logged into your Microsoft account. You can do this by navigating to the Microsoft login page and entering your credentials. Once you're successfully logged in, locate the app launcher, which is typically represented by a grid icon in the upper left-hand corner of your screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu of available apps. Your next step is to select OneDrive from this list. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage service and is where we will create our form. After clicking on OneDrive, you'll be directed to its main interface. Look towards the upper left side of the page and find the button labeled New and Upload. Clicking this will present several options, but you're going to want to choose Excel Survey. At this point, you're about to initiate a new form. A window will appear prompting you to provide a name for your form. It's important to choose something descriptive here so that both you and any potential respondents know the form's purpose right away. Simply type the desired name into the field provided. With your form named, it's time to move on to crafting your questions. The interface will guide you to the section where you can enter your first question. Think about the information you want to collect and type your question into the designated box. This could pertain to feedback, data collection, or perhaps even a quiz question depending on your objectives. If you're planning on adding more than one question, you'll need to click the Add New button to insert additional queries into your form. This allows you to tailor the form precisely to your needs. You might ask multiple choice questions, require text-based responses, or even employ rating scales. It's all about choosing the right response type for each question. Consider what format will help gather the most useful data. After completing your form, review each question to make sure everything looks as you intended. This is your opportunity to make any last-minute changes before going live. Once you're satisfied with how your form is structured, it's time to share it. To do this, click on the Send button. This action will bring up a few options for distributing your form. The simplest method is to select Copy to duplicate the form's URL. You can then share this link directly, either by pasting it into an email, messaging platform, or perhaps embedding it on a website or social media post. In summary, creating a form in OneDrive is a streamlined process that begins with logging into your Microsoft account, navigating to OneDrive, and using the New and Upload feature to build your form. You can customize it by adding and configuring questions to suit your specific requirements, and finally share it with others by sending them a link. Happy form building!